The Illegal is a daring cocktail that combines unique flavors to create a one-of-a-kind experience. Named for its boldness and the inclusion of mezcal, which translates to illegal in some contexts due to its once prohibited status, this drink will captivate and astonish your senses. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces mezcal, preferably a high-quality, smoky variety. 3/4 of an ounce Maraschino liqueur. Adds a touch of sweetness and complexity. 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice provides the necessary acidity to balance the drink. 1/2 ounce green Chartreuse, herbal and potent. This gives an extra kick to the cocktail. 2 dashes aromatic bitters, optional. Adds a subtle spice to the mix if desired. Garnish lime wheel or twist for presentation. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, ice, martini glass. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Add mezcal, maraschino liqueur, fresh lime juice, and green chartreuse into the shaker. Add 2 dashes of aromatic bitters if using. Shake well until the mixture is chilled and well combined. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini glass. Garnish with a lime wheel or twist. Mezcal, the primary spirit in this cocktail, was once considered illegal in various regions and times in history due to regulatory reasons and its strong, unique flavor. Today, it's celebrated for its artisanal production and complex smoky taste,